Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add extra baggage in Air Arabia after booking. All right, so let's begin with the video. First of all, you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, look for the Manage option. When you go to this section, you will see different options related to your booking. Under this section, you will find Extras, and then the option to add baggage. Now, simply click on Add Baggage. After clicking on it, you will be taken to a page where you can add extra baggage to your booking. Air Arabia allows passengers to pay only for the baggage they actually need, which makes it more flexible. On this page, you will need to enter some details, such as your reservation number, the contact person's last name, and the departure date. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. Once you continue, the system will load your booking details, and you will be able to choose and add the baggage allowance you want. You can easily pre-book your checked baggage allowance online through the form on the screen. Another option is to contact Air Arabia's call center if you prefer to add baggage through their support team. After completing the process, the extra baggage will be added to your booking, and you will be ready for your trip. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add extra baggage in Air Arabia after booking. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.